Hi, I'm LV. There's an important subject that I wanted to touch upon. I've never done this before, but I thought that it's a good time to start. A lot of the people that know me, or just people who I'm friends with on Facebook that go to my page, I'm sure that you will see a lot of postings that I make or share about concerning animals and their well-being, or the hurtful, cruel actions that people are doing to them around the world. And it's really, really hard for me to see some of that stuff. But I share it because I want people to know the things that are going on in the world. And I'm sure a lot of people just kind of pass by and they don't really look, but the people who take the time to look, or the people who take the time to sign that one petition that I post, or do something, then maybe like I reached somebody. I love animals very much, and God blessed me with a voice and an ability to write, and I'm gonna use that tool to bring myself to a position of power and leadership to where I can influence a bigger sum of people with these beliefs that in no way, shape, or form is trophy hunting an acceptable act. It's horrific, and anybody who believes otherwise, I'm gonna pray for you that you change your mind. I don't know why some of the world is so desensitized. I don't know why people can't feel or connect with anybody else but the human species, but we aren't the only ones here. And I think that we should be a lot less selfish. And I think people should be more aware. And I think that people should do more to help. I know certain people will never change. But if we can change some people, then we're changing something. And it makes it worth it. I am not interested in fame. I have no interest in it at all. The only reason that I'm trying to acquire it is so that I can make a whole shitload of money to help animals. And my family. So, that's me. It's what I stand for. If you didn't know, now you do. Thanks if you took the time to listen to this. If I made any type of change in your life, I'm just so glad. If not, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing anyway. Thank you.